Hello everyone, in this video I will talk about the Power BI reporting update. The text slicer has been renamed to the input slicer. Several additional features have also been added to the input slicer. So let me first add a input slicer, which is formerly known as a text slicer. So here you can see the input slicer. Let me bring it on the report. Let me add a table visual. And in the table visual, from the employee table, I will add a EMP first name, last name, EMP ID, department, and email ID. Let me increase the width. Okay. And I will select the text slicer. And as a field, I will use a EMP first name. So as a normal input slicer or text slicer, you just type, for example, if I type a Jack and press enter or click here, you can see the imply Jack has been filtered. Let me little zoom in. Okay, now if I'll remove, you can remove it from here. Apart from this, you can see the many option here. Contents all, contains any, does not contain any, start with any, does not start with any, is not any. For example, let me select a start with, and here I will type SA, and if you click here, you will see the Sachin and Samir. The first two character will be ISA. So it is filtered in the table. Now these are the option. You can use it based on your requirement. The other thing, we can type a multiple text. So you have to select this input slicer and go to the visualization, and in slicer setting, accept multiple value. If you enable this one, and now for example, if I type a Jack and press enter, so you can see the Jack is filtered. Now if I type a Rehan, again press enter, so you can see Rehan is here in the table. And after that, if I can type a Samir, so you can see the Samir also here. And you can also remove one by one, or you can remove everything from here. And now another is select this visual and again go to the visualization, and in formatting, here there is a option called filter operator. Just enable the text here from here. Now here you can see whatever you have selected, it is showing here. For example, if I select a container and if I type Sachin, press enter, so you can see here the what you have selected, content any. Okay, now let me clear this, and if I type start with, so you can see the start with. If I type WI, so you can see the William name, implied name as a William. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.